This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, in previous class we discussed about how to make the LED off, right? And we did it, we done it. Uh, Fine. Today we are going to deal with some more tasks on LED. Okay, let me make the LED blink. Okay, let me make the LED blink. So today we are going to discuss about LED blinking. Okay, guys. In last class we discussed about what are the steps to write a program, to write a code. Okay, in Kill. Can anybody respond in chat box? What are the steps? Fine. Okay, let me go with the hardware part first. Okay, open your Proteus 8. Go to ISIS. Pick the device, whatever the microcontroller 8089C51. This is our microcontroller. Double click on this. Again, go to the keywords LEDs. Type LEDs. LEDs. Pick your LED like from blue, green, red, and yellow. Okay, from blue, green, red, and yellow. Okay, I pick green. Okay, uh, place it on your workspace. Guys, I hope you are all aware of these points. Okay, I no need to explain this, so that I'm going fast. And so guys, uh, whichever port you want to take, it's your wish. Okay, so I just want to take port 3, port 3. Anode is connected to the microcontroller. Port 3 pin number 0, and go to the terminal mode. Pick the ground, place it. Cathode is connected to ground. This is our hardware part. Okay, so here we want to make the LED blink. Okay, for blinking definitely we need some delay, right? Remember this point. Definitely we need some delay for blinking. Okay, guys, have you done up to here? Have you done up to here? If you are done up to here, I'll go to the software part. You have to respond in chat box whether I'm going fast or you have to follow that. And remember that in the middle of the class I'll give you the presenter for you. You have to share your screen whether you are doing or not, and I just want to take the screenshots of what you've done. Okay, remember that, parallelly do along with me. Okay, so if you are done with the hardware part, I'll go to the software part. How to write a code, like what are the steps involved, we discuss on. It is not audible. Vamsi Krishna, I hope there is a problem from your side only. Guys, is anybody getting the same problem, like my voice is not audible for you? I hope you won't get the problem from my side. I hope. Guys, can you please respond that my voice is audible to you all? Yes. Vamsi Krishna, just check from your side. Check it from your side. Yes. Okay. 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 Go to pick the device, go to P, and there you have to select your microcontroller 8089C51, and and again in the keywords type LEDs, whatever the LED you want to pick from blue, red, green, and yellow. Okay. So how this. Okay. Okay. No worries. Better to keep your name not getting any. So once, see, that's what I'm saying. You, let's check from your side. Let's check from your side, guys. If you are not having your PC, no worries. Uh, whoever having the PCs, okay, for them I'm going to give the presenter. No worries. Vamsi Krishna, please check from your side. Okay, guys, this is the hardware part, and remember that for blinking an LED, we need some delay, right? And let's go back to this notepad. What are the steps involved? We discussed in previous class that what are the steps to write a program. Guys, I need the responses from your side also. What are the steps? Obviously, header file declaration, right? Yes, that's good. Next step is right. Fine, fine. We will write what is header file reg51.h h.h 51. Fine. Sripati Anantakumar reg51.h. Okay, what's the next step? Okay, what's the next? Port declaration? That's good. Or hardware declaration? Port declaration. Sorry. Port declaration or hardware declaration. And third step is function declaration. In last class we not discussed about this function declaration, because we need some delay. We want to write the delay function here. Okay, this is the third step. And the fourth step is obviously the main function. Yes, good. Main function. And guys, I'm writing the shortcut names like fun. Okay, no need to confuse about that. And function definition. Function definition. So guys, these are the steps involved to write a. Obviously this applies for every program. Okay, definitely this applies for every program. What you are going to see, like for buttons, for motors, for for 7 segment, for everything. Okay, these are the mandatory steps which everybody have to follow. Okay, now coming back to what is the header file here. What is a header file for LED blinking? Obviously header file is hash includes, guys, respond, reg51.h. Okay, this is a header file. Okay, what is a port declaration or hardware declaration? Here I used port 3 pin number 0. Okay, port 3 pin number 0, right? This is a hardware part. Okay, so as bit special function registered bit, LED is connected to port capital P, port 3 cap cap 0. Okay, clear. Hardware part is hardware declaration or a port declaration is clear. Okay, s bit led is equal to port 3 pin number 0. Okay, therefore function declaration, third step, delay void delay. Okay, yes, void delay. Coming back to the main function. Okay, void main. Okay, guys, this LED wants to blink for infinite times. I'm just using while of one because by using this while of one, it's an infinite loop. Okay, the loop will execute for infinite times. Okay, the loop will execute for infinite times. Okay, just opening it. I'll make this LED initially in 0 and will give some delay. Okay, I'll give some delay and I'll make the LED on and I'll make some delay. Okay, I'll make some delay. It's a very easy to understand, no need to get confused about it. Okay, I'll close it, I'll close the while loop, and again I'm going to close the main function also. Okay, here I want to write the function definition. Next step is function definition. Okay, observe this very carefully, that void delay. Okay, here I'll tell you why I'm writing all this stuff here. Okay, I'm just declaring the integers I comma j. Okay, I'm using the for loop for I is equal to 0. I'll tell you why I'm using the function definition. Okay, I is equal to 0, I less than something like 100, fine, and I plus plus. Again for j, for integer j, for j is equal to 0, j less than, it's your wish, 1000, j plus plus. Fine. Okay, I'm just closing the function definition, delay definition. Guys, remember this delay definition I am using only to give some delay. Okay, let's remember that by using this delay we won't get exact delay also. We'll get exact delay by timers and counters. By using the timers we can get exact delay, but here we are directly writing the delay definition, right? But it gives some numerical value, like some amount of delay will be needed for us to blink the led, right? So that is the reason why we are writing a void delay definition here. So that is the reason why we open the for loop and we close it. We did all this stuff here. Okay, only to give some delay, we are going to write this delay definition. Remember that, because like as my experience, like so many trainers, so many professors said that okay, internally this 100 and 1000 will get multiplied so many sites. Okay, maximum they won't give the clear explanation, but as my knowledge, as I concluded that to give some delay, we are going to write this function delay definition. So this is just a simple point, you want to remember that. Okay, don't need to confuse that. Okay, definitely for if you want to give some delay, definitely integers I comma j is mandatory. For I is equal 0, increment operation, as like j is equal 0, increment operation, we have to close that delay definition. This is mandatory for every program up to we use the timers and counters. Up to timers and counters, this is a process, this is a delay definition we are going to write for every program. For every program, remember that. Okay, even for LCD also. Okay, clear? Can I go forward? Thank you. Okay, open your key. Go to the project, new microvision project, and new folder, LED blinking. Okay, in this LED blinking I'm going to save it as LED. Yes. Okay guys, I know you are all aware of this process. Okay, LEDs 8089C51, this is our microcontroller. Click on OK. Stop. Okay, go to file, open file, new, and save it as in where it is, LED slow, LED blinking at times. LEDs, LED blinking notes. Guys, పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే సడన్ గా ఇప్పుడు లైక్ వెన్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్ ఎ వెరీ స్మూత్ ఫ్లో, సడన్లీ ఇఫ్ ఐ గెట్ సడన్ లైక్ దిస్ వాయిస్ మీన్స్ మై ఇయర్ కొంచెం భయం వేస్తుంది అనమాట. కొంచెం ప్లీజ్ బీ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ మైక్స్. ఓకే, కొంచెం ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్. ఓకే, open this, add existing file, LED blinking, add and close. clear. Up to here it's clear for us. All steps are clear. Let me copy this code. Control C and control V. Okay, let me build this if I get any errors or not. Okay guys, I got 0 errors and 0 warnings. Okay, go to this target, right click on this target one, open options for target one, try to change the clock frequency 11.0592. okay, go to the output, create hexa file. Okay, again you have to click, you have to rebuild this, here we got creating hexa file. Okay, fine, our task is completed. Double click on this, go to the folder desktop, kill LEDs, LED blinking, LEDs.hex. Change the clock frequency here also 11.0592. Click on OK. Let me run this whether it works or not. Okay, guys, are you getting the output? Yeah, it's getting. Okay, yes. Okay, guys, I'm going to paste this code in the chat box. Yes, give me some time, guys. I just want to take the screenshots of this. Guys, are you getting the output? మీకు అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుందా లేదా కొంచెం చెప్పండి. ఎక్కడన్నా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే విల్ సాల్వ్ ఇట్. విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ snipping tools. Okay, guys, whether you are getting the output or not, please tell me. Guys, whether you are getting the output or not, please tell me. Please respond in chat box. Desktop embedded systems batch 11 day 3 day 3. See, ikkada remember this, here whatever the number, it's our wish, right? Here I can increase 1000 microseconds, or here I can decrease to 100 microseconds. It's our wish. Okay. Jitendra, where I'm going first? Where I'm going first? Yeah, so okay, I'll go slow. Okay, this is all about delay. Okay, so it's our wish. Some numerical value, we have to give some numerical value to get delay, so that's why we are using the delay definition here. Okay, fine. Jitendra, where I'm going first? Guys, are you getting the same problem like Jitendra? Like I'm going fast. Like, is it okay for you? I'm going fast, Mahesh Babu. After this, fine. Let me go slow. No, sir. Let me go slow. Fine, fine. Guys, have you got the output? Maybe my fast in the sense like uh, while writing a code after all this process, what I'm going maybe a little bit of fast. My explanation is I hope it's clear, right? Yes. So for next time I'll go very slow. Okay. Yes. Guys, have you done this? I got the output. Can I go forward? Like let me go with the two LEDs for next time. Got output, sir. Okay. Okay, Sujana. Yes. Yes, you can try your like you can use port 2, port 1 also. Okay. It's my comfort to use port 3. Okay. Try as your own for port 1 and port 2 also. Okay. And fine. Next one is like let me go with two LEDs. Okay. Let me go with two LEDs. Mm, fine. Uh, I can use the same color. Okay, I can use the same color. Mm. Okay. Okay, guys, what are the changes we'll get? Fine, guys. Again, I'm going to write from starting onwards. Okay, I write a code from starting. Go to the project. Jitendra, focus. Okay, go to the project. New microvision project. Click on new microvision project. Okay, create. Betray. Okay, new folder. Okay, Jitendra, focus. Okay. Uh, it's your wish to give any name. Okay, two LEDs. I'm just using two LEDs. In these two LEDs, I'm going to save it as LED. Okay. In search box, AT Atmel family CMOS 51 is a series of 8051. Okay. Click on this 8089C51. No target one is created. Source group one is fine. Go to the file, click on new. Okay, again go to file, save it. LEDs, not LEDs. In desktop, in especially in key. Okay, we are doing this LEDs. Fine. In LED blinking, in this two LEDs. No, fine. Here we have to save it as LEDs.c. dot c clear, add this to source group. Where it gone? LEDs, right? Add and close. Okay, so here we can write a code, obviously. Hash include reg51 dot h. Okay, this is our header file. Like s bit, this is a hardware declaration. LED is equal to port 3. I used port 3, pin number 0, and for second LED s bit, LED 1 is equal to port 3, pin number 1. Okay, it's clear up for hardware declaration. Next is delay function, void delay. Okay, main function, void main, open the braces for void main, and while loop. I am using while loop for this is an infinite loop. Okay, now what's our theme? We make the LED is equal to make the LED on, and again we have to make the LED 1 is also should be on. Guys, steps are very startup file is not there. So if you click yes, you'll get startup file, Tarun. Okay, better to click no. Okay, so for that again we have to give some delay, and and we make the LED off. We make the LED off, and for LED 1 should also be off. Okay, and then we have to give some delay. Okay, it's clear for main function. Now we have to write the delay definition, void delay. Okay, open the braces, int I comma j for is an increment operation. I is equal to 0, I less than your wish, whatever the numerical number you want to give, it's your wish, and I plus plus. Again for j is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, j less than 1000. Guys, it's your wish. J j j plus I j plus plus. I want to close the for loop here. Okay, go to build. I got 0 errors and 0 warnings. Going very slow. After completion of this step, go to the target, right click on the target one, options for target one, try to change the clock frequency 11.0592. Okay, go to the output, create hexa file. The microcontrollers knows only the hexa file, hexa values. Okay, fine, click on OK. Okay, and again you have to rebuild this. Hexa file is created, go to the macro Proteus 8. Okay, double click on this, choose your path, desktop, keys, LEDs, in LED blinking, two LEDs, objects, LEDs dot hex. This is here our hexa file. Clock frequency is 11.0592 only megahertz. Okay, click on OK. Now run this. Yeah, it's working. it's working. Okay, and hmm, if you give more microseconds, it may take time. It may take time. Hmm. Need to produce run this. Okay. Okay, so you have to do for 3 LEDs. Later on, we'll go for a byte LED. Okay, 8 LEDs. We are going to use a total port. Okay, we are going up to here. We are going to take special function register bits like 2 bits. Uh, uh, okay, but the next time we are going to take total port like port 2 or port 3 or port 1. Okay, we'll see that, guys. Do you got the output for this 2 LEDs? If you got the 2 LEDs, you have to do for 3 LEDs. I'll give you 5 or 10 minutes time for you. Uh, please go with that. If you got the output for, and I'll give you the presenter for you for 3 LEDs if you're done with that. Guys, have you got the output? Mahesh, are you doing? Sure, you can see the code once. Give me a sec, I'll just paste it on the chat box. If anybody want the code, take that. Guys, if you got the output, and let me use some time that this is my task that this is my task to show. Fine. Guys, have you got the output? Output వచ్చిందా రాలేదా చేస్తున్నారా చేయడం లేదా? Can you please respond? Okay, if you are done with this, go with 3 LEDs. Later on we'll discuss byte LED. Okay, yes, working on it. Sripati Ananta Kumar, work on it. Okay, and I'll give you 2 or 3 more minutes time. Okay, later on go with 3 LEDs. If you are done with the 3 LEDs, uh, respond in chat box that I'll use the presenter. Let's share your screen. I called Mahesh, but Mahesh not responded. Mahesh, are you there? If you are there, are you doing? Jitendra, are you doing? Are you following? Very few are responding. I got an output, sir. Okay, then go ahead with 3 LEDs. Anant Kumar. Okay. 3 LEDs. Go with the 3 LEDs. And if you are done with this, I will give you the presenter. You can share your screen. I'll give you 5 more minutes time. If you completed the 3 LED, I'll give you the presenter. Okay. If you are done with 3 LEDs, respond in chat box. I'll give you the presenter. Sheikh Nazimuddin Basha, can I give you the presenter? Okay, Sheikh Nazimuddin. Sheikh. Yes. Basha, laptop లోనే లాగిన్ అయి ఉన్నావుగా. Basha, I have given the presenter. Please share your screen. Yeah. You can share your screen, Basha. Okay. What is this? You connected externally? Can you please unmute your mic?
It's an oscilloscope, sir. Oscilloscope.
Okay.
Oscilloscope.
That's good. That's good.
It's open. It's not.
Okay, good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, okay. Basha, mute your mic. Okay. Okay. Finish. Okay, okay. Fine. Basha, mute your mic, Basha. Anant Kumar, can I give you the presenter? Yes. Yes. Anant Kumar. Sripati Anant Kumar. Yes. Share your screen, Anant Kumar. Anant Kumar, laptop. Okay, okay. Fine. It's visible, Anant Kumar. Share, open your Proteus. Yeah. ఎక్కువ డిలే ఇచ్చావా? డిలే తగ్గించు ఒకసారి. బ్లింక్ అవడం లేదు. డిలే ఎక్కువ ఇచ్చినట్టున్నావు అనంత్ కుమార్. ఒకసారి డిలే చూడు, ఎందుకు అంతసేపు ఆన్ లోనే ఉంది. యా యా, కొంచెం తగ్గించి చూడు ఒకసారి. కీలో ఓపెన్ చేయి. Yeah, thank you. I understood. Yeah. Okay. Guys, now we are going to take complete port. Okay, 8 LEDs. Like for every if you take port 2, there are 8 pins. We are going to use 8 LEDs. Okay, we can operate 8 LEDs, and we can actually play with that also. Okay, whatever the LED we want to blink, we can blink that. Remaining LEDs we can off it. Okay, there are so many probabilities are there actually. uh, let's go with it. Okay, try to connect 8 LEDs for every whatever the port you want, like port 2, port 3, or port 1. Okay, it's your wish. Okay. uh yes, give me a sec. Give me a second, guys. Meanwhile, connect the ports, connect the LEDs for whatever the port you want to require. Guys, give me a second. Okay, connect the LEDs for whatever the port you required, for port 2, port 3, or port 1. I'll be back within 1 minute. Akhil, aware of your mic, Akhil. Okay, guys, I'm going to take here port 2. Okay, guys, here if I want to make the every LED on, okay, I don't want to take like if I take like S bit port 2 pin 0, S bit port 2 pin 1. Okay, it's difficult for us, okay, to write a code like this, and it will becomes very complex and very long also. Okay, here we are going to generate the hexadecimal values, whatever the LED we want to make it on. Okay, we can generate the hexadecimal value, and we can directly insert the hexadecimal value into the program. Okay, it will be very easy for us to write a code, and it becomes very the length will also becomes small. Okay, it won't get more complex. Okay, here we are going to generate the hexadecimal values. There these hexadecimal values can be directly written in the code in the program. Okay, try to connect the ground, common ground, or Okay, my task is done, the hardware part is done. Okay, I'm going to use this port 2. Okay, uh, so many probabilities are there. Actually, you can play with this, you know. So if you want to on this first LED and last LED, you can off this all LEDs, or if you want to on all LEDs at a time, you can off this all LEDs, even LEDs, all LEDs, odd LEDs. We can actually play with that. Whatever the LED you want to on, make it as one. Remaining LEDs will become 0. Whatever the LEDs, like if I want to, if I want to on this only for these four LEDs, like top four LEDs, I make this LEDs as one and remaining these four as 0. Okay, it's you can play with this actually, you know. So many probabilities are there. I'll take only 6 or 5 or something like that, depends. Okay, I'll take 6 probabilities, like you know, I'll make all LEDs on, and I'll make all LEDs off. 2, I'll make this uh, you know, odd LEDs, even LEDs. Okay, these are the probabilities. Like I'll make the even LEDs on and odd LEDs off. Okay, and second probability is the fifth probability is I make the odd LEDs on and even LEDs off. You know, so many probabilities depends upon your requirement. Okay, fine. Let me go with this notepad. Okay, so guys, I'm going to take complete port 2. Okay, in port 2, let's come back from 2.7. Okay, 2.7, 2.7, 2.6, 2.5, 2.4, 2.3, 2.2, 2.1, 2.0. Okay, guys, by using the logic of 8421, I hope you all are aware of that, right? How to generate the hexadecimal value. uh, I hope you all are aware of that. Okay, selection. Okay, fine. I'll make all LEDs on. Okay, I'll make all LEDs on, so that I'm going to give 1. I'm going to give 1. Guys, it's your wish. It's your wish. You can actually play with that. Okay, what is the hexa value if you make all LEDs on? This is the thing which you want to tell me. What is the hexadecimal value for this? This is in binary form. This is in binary form. I want to convert into hexadecimal value. What is the value? Okay, 0xFF. Okay, 0xFF. Okay, how it came, guys? If you are aware of that, tell me. If not, I'll tell you how the FFS came. Please respond in chat box. Basha said correct. 0xFF all on. I don't know, sir. Okay. By using the logic of 8421. Same, sir. Yeah. 8421. If you are studying BTech second year or third year, second year, I hope you are again 8421. 4, 2, 1. This is a logic we want to apply. Okay, guys, uh, by using this logic like 8421. Okay, so split it. Okay, split like 8421 again 8421. Okay, here we are taking 8 bits, means 1 byte. Okay, 8421, 4 bits one part, 4 bits one another part. Okay, count this 8421. 8 plus 4, how much? 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 means F. Like A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is something, as like 15 means F in hexadecimal value. Okay, in hexadecimal value you have to keep 0x. X is mandatory in hexadecimal value. Okay, hexadecimal value 0x is mandatory. FF is like as I said that by using this logic of 8421. Okay, if I make this if you consider second one. Okay, I want to make all LEDs off. Okay, if I want to make all LEDs off. Okay, so Jitendra will tell me the hexa value. Okay, in hexadecimal value you have to keep 0x. Okay, Jitendra, tell me what is an hexa value by using this 8421. 0x. Yes. Okay, so next one is I want to make 4 LEDs on. Okay, I want to make these 4 LEDs on. It means that 0 1 2 3 4 and e 4 of all means that 2 3 2.3. What was on notepad? So I want to make this remember I want to make these 4 LEDs on, these 4 LEDs off. Okay, this is my third probability. I want to make these 4 LEDs on, these 4 LEDs off. If I want to make these 4 LEDs on, 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 should becomes 1, and remaining like 2.3, 4, I mean 4, 5, 6, 7 should becomes 0. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 0, 0, yes, 1, 1. That is you can actually play with this. Okay, I'd go with simple. Yeah, what's the hexadecimal value? 0x 0f. Okay, and let me go with even LEDs. Okay, even LEDs non చేద్దాం. All even LEDs non చేద్దాం ఇక్కడ. Even what is the even LED? 2, 4, 6 and 8, right? 2, 4, 6 and 8 are the even LEDs. 1, 3 and 5, 7 are the odd LEDs. 2 means which pin is 2, 2.1, 2.3, 2.5 and 2.7. Okay, you have to make 2.7 as 1, 2.6 as 0, 2.5 as 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, right? Guys, are you doing correct? So what is the hexadecimal value for this binary form? 1010 0x a, sure? 8 plus 4, yeah, 0x 8421. Okay, fine. 0x a, even LED. Okay, now we'll go with let me on these 4 LEDs and let me off these 4 LEDs. Okay, let me on these 4 LEDs means that ఇవన్నీ వన్ అవుతాయి 2.7 2.6 2.5 2.4 will becomes 1, remaining will becomes 0. Okay guys, this is my probability. I'm taking this only. If you want to take anything, no problem in that. Okay, mandatory to generate the hexadecimal value. Okay, hexadecimal value correct గా ఉంటే సరిపోతుంది. It's your wish to take anything. Okay, and what I said that I want to make these 4 LEDs on means that 2.67 inch one రావాలి. Yes, 2 1 1 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, what is the hexadecimal value for this? 0xf0 cf0. Okay, 4 off. Let me take another probability like odd LEDs ఆన్ చేద్దాం. odd LEDs ఆన్ చేస్తే A1 కి ఇది కాబట్టి ఆపోజిట్ వస్తుంది. This is 1 and this is 0, this is 1, this is 0 and this is 1 0 and 1. What is the hexadecimal value for this? 0x5, correct. 5 5. Guys, okay, this is like as like you can take many number of hexadecimal values. Okay, depends upon your requirement. Okay, now I'll write a code, I'll write a program. Okay, hash includes, this is our header file reg51.h. guys, my voice is low. Is it okay for you? Hash includes reg51.h. I'm going to take total port 2. Right here I'm just port P2. Okay, here I'm going to take total port 2. Okay, I'm just defining that I'm going to take total port 2. Okay, again void delay and this is our function declaration void delay and void main function, open the braces, and this should be executed for infinite of times likewise, so that we are going to use this while loop. Okay, now our task P2. Okay, P2, what is our task? First ఏంటి all LEDs ఆన్ చేయాలనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి port P2 is equal to 0x f అయిపోయింది. Give some delay for that, give some delay. Okay, again port 2 is equal to next one ఏంటి all LEDs ఆఫ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం, so that gives some 0x00. Okay, and again give some delay for that and port 2. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఏంటి 4 LEDs ఆన్ చేయాలనుకున్నాం, 0x 0f 0x 0f, again give some delay. Okay, for port 2 is equal to even LEDs ఆన్ చేయాలనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి 0x AA 0x AA. For this you have to give some delay. Okay, next వచ్చేసి 4 LEDs ఆఫ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాం. 0x f0 P2 is equal to 0x f0 and for this give some delay. odd LEDs run చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాం. port 2 is equal to 0x5555 for this clear. Okay, we have to close this while loop and main loop. As usual, I said the delay definition void delay. Open this int I comma j. This is mandatory for I is equal to 0, I less than 100, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than 1000, j plus plus. Here in embedded C you have to keep the semicolon for loop. That's mandatory. Okay, so guys, this is our code. The as whatever the probabilities, whatever the requirements I have taken here, for that I have generated the hexadecimal value, and that was directly kept in the program. Go to the kill and the new to the kill new folder like 8 LED 8 LEDs. In this 8 LEDs I have to save it as 8 LEDs. Save 8089C51 is our microcontroller. Double click on this, click on OK. No. Okay, go to the file, new file, save this file. Where you have to save, not here. 8 LEDs లో సేవ్ చేద్దాం కాబట్టి we have to save it as 8 LEDs dot c. C.c extension of dot c is most important. Add this to the source group. 8 LEDs, add close. Okay, task is done. Whatever the code, whatever the program we have written here, copy this, Control C, and open the kill, Control V. Delay. Yes, let me generate this. Okay, we got 0 errors and 0 warnings. Go to this target one, right click on this, options for target one. Try to change this clock frequency to 11.0592 megahertz. Go to the output, create hexa file, click on OK. Again rebuild this. If you rebuild this, it will creating hexa file. You'll get like this. Open the Proteus, double click on this, select the path. Path is most important. Open the kill, 8 LEDs objects, 8 LEDs dot hex. Clock frequency is 1.0592 megahertz. Click on OK. I don't know whether it works or not. We'll see. All on, all off. Guys, is it working perfectly? Check it once. Off అవుతుందా? Yeah. A second. On, off, 4 on, even LED. Yeah, it's working. Okay, guys, it's your wish to take any probability. It's your wish to take any probability. That's working. Yeah, it's guys, it's your wish to take any probability. So for example, if you want to make this first LED on and last LED on, remaining you can keep it as off. Okay, actually you can play with this. Okay, and tomorrow onwards we are going with next concepts like buttons, motors, and uh, 7 segment, everything. Every concept will be detailedly discussed, right? Okay, we are going in a step by step manner. Okay, We're going with step-by-step manner. Guys, if you are getting the output, I'll give you the presenter with some other probabilities. Okay, you can do your own, right? Okay, you can do your own. Let me take the screenshot of this. Let me take the screenshot of this because it's mandatory for us. Okay. Yes. Guys, if you are done with this, I'll give you the presenter. You can share your screen. That's working. Guys, give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. Guys, ఎవరన్నా చేశారా ఇది? Are you doing parallelly along with me? Mahanti Dansal. Okay, can I give you the presenter? Rujana. Yes, that's good. 718211. 718211. Okay, you all are from Andhra University. It's same fine. Anant Kumar, no worries, no worries. Okay. I have given the presenter, Srijana. Yeah. Can you maximize it? Maximize it, Srijana. Like any net issues are there for you? So, why can't you take your probabilities? మీకు నచ్చింది ఏదన్నా yeah, maximize. and yeah, only it's working. That's important for us. It's working. Okay. అదే వస్తుంది ఏంటి, రీబిల్డ్ చేసావా అక్కడ? ఈ చేంజ్ దిస్ హెక్సాడెసిమల్ వాల్యూస్ రైట్. రీబిల్డ్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ సేమ్ అదే రన్ అవుతుంది అదే. Is it okay? It's okay, fine, fine. Thank you. Jitendra ki I'm going to give the presenter for Jitendra. You have to show me whether you are doing or not. Guys, if you did any changes in keel, okay, try to rebuild this. Rebuild చేస్తేనే మళ్ళీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? జితేంద్ర నువ్వు చేస్తే ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద ప్రెజెంటర్. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. That see, for example, if you done any changes in keel, you have to rebuild this. Yeah. That's what I said. Yeah. ఫాస్ట్ గా ఉండాలి జితేంద్ర, మరీ అంత స్లోగా ఉండకూడదు నువ్వు. ఓకేనా? మేక్ ఇట్ ఫాస్ట్. Stop here. Fine. Let me stop here. As this is for today.